My name's Rob, I'm the community connector from Maghull. The whole point of the role is to try and help reduce social isolation and loneliness. So I'll often go out and see people and then try and get them all connected with stuff that's going on in their local area. The coffee morning's been going for about a year now. We get about 15, 16, 17 members depending on the week. And it's open to anybody, so it's every Wednesday morning, about 10 till 12 at Frank Hornby Weatherspoon in Maghull. And everybody gets coffee, meet up, have a chat. I think it's the idea of that it's like regular contact and it's someone that every week they know they're going to see somebody, see a familiar face, whether it's me or somebody else in the group. It's also worked really well because other people in the group have started meeting up outside of the coffee mornings, which is perfect. Whether it's going on like walks or history walks or boat trips or whatever it might be. And that's all it's about really, so people can just start meeting up. And also it's nice because we sometimes do different things. So as part of World Friendship Day that was on a few weeks ago, we hosted like a big picnic, so people brought down a bit of food, a bit of cake and everything else. Printed off a load of recipes today so they can be shared out with the group. We've got some people in the group that like to show what they used to do previously, so we have a guy in the group called Don, he's going to be 90 soon. He used to do a lot of woodwork and he gets to show the group what he used to do, and it's just really nice.
So why do we come here? Well, my wife and I don't get out very much. We don't like being in four walls and talking to each other because we've been married for 60 years and we've said everything that we want to say at that time. So we like coming here, having a coffee, meeting a lot of lovely people and talking and listening. And we find we enjoy their company, we hope that they enjoy ours. I think everybody who comes here goes away happier than when they arrive. That's good commendation, isn't it?